Right into this world, all alone.
Morning.
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 They need a neonatal specialist. If we can get through this auto mess.
Which we will.
You're gonna want an answer by the end of the week.
Shouldn't you get everything sorted first, before you decide anything?
Morning.
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 Paper's there.
Maybe this is a chance for us, Jim. Let's do it different. No lies, no secrets.
So tell her the truth, huh?
She wants to give something to Otto. Hey, does the club know she's been volunteering at Stockton?
Infirmary?
Yeah, I guess so. She's been really slippery about it all.
Why are you telling him anything that concerns the club? Why? You're just here to spy.
Felony charges after the deal would destroy his reliability. But this could unravel Protera, Jax. She could do serious time for this.
To make sure that doesn't happen!
She tried to be so careful, whispering. Then all of a sudden, boom.
Club's gonna find out what Otto did. Gotta tell him the truth, man.
The CIA knowledge still puts us all at risk, Bobby.
Lower your voice. There is a kid present. Who does he belong to?
I just need to finish up.
Good question. But I guess he's not here for a quiz?
Where's Rat taking answer?
Chemo.
Yeah, right, chemo. Is that story even true that he has cancer? I'm starting to have doubts. It's season 5 and he's still alive. Not just that, he seems to be in good shape.
Otto turned. That's what Tara's doing at Stockton. He killed a nurse with that cross yesterday.
Oh, shit.
Rico's dead, but now it could all blow back on Tara.
Tell him that you told Clay about the cross.
I need that proof now.
Okay, babe.
Hello, Gemma. Tell him. Oh, fuck you.
I spoke with Alvarez and Tyler. They're all in. Percentages are set.
All right, good. What about Lynn?
Still no work.
Shit.
He's probably turned on you, huh? People that don't answer calls. You just can't trust them.
You know, losing the gavel. I thought the shit I'd be jonesing for would be the money, the weight.
Don't tell me it's about the brotherhood and the camaraderie. I'm gonna puke all over your goddamn table.
I don't miss having you on my right.
Well, no, he's on your left.
I may be forced to create some new opportunities outside of Sam Crow.
What are you working, Clay?
Just trying to stay alive, brother.
What was that all about? What is he working on?
Know how expensive kids are, I say. Even the ones without crutches. Yeah, what?
Enough! Hey!
This is the way we get the town to embrace our legitimate business.
Dude, you just fired a gun. Look, man, I got some old KG-9s at the warehouse. Will you let me give them those? Few Glocks. Make the dicks feel bigger, keep this from happening again.
I suggest you use those weapons to kill those freaks. Otherwise, they're just a loose end. That's bound to come back to haunt you.
I realized that my Thomas's birthday is in 2 weeks. And pretty much everything I have on him, death, birth certificates, were in that safe. Look, I'm sorry.
Is he just coming here to nap? He's not even hooked up to anything.
Finished?
Oh yeah, sure, you're finished. Right.
Oh, man. I
I gotta park it for
Oh, sure. Come on.
He doesn't seem to be in good shape after all, huh?
Oh,
shit.
Oh, thank you for that used tissue.
Let's go feed those little people, huh?
Luckily, you just made the food, huh? Don't forget to take it with you. Hey, the food.
Let me speak. See if I can make them understand the weight of all this. Maybe they.
I'll give you 2 hours.
He's really trying to protect Jax? So I guess it's all true, huh? He really doesn't want the throne anymore.
Fuck those shit, dudes.
Oh, I think they don't want to pay, huh? Looks like you already have guns. I hope you guys have put your seatbelts on.
Anyone dead?
Negative.
Hap, you hit? Rip through. I am rapturous.
Give me a minute.
No.
You really should. It's important, son.
Oh, son.
The CIA cartel thing has a shelf life. And by the time they split, all the legit shit that you've been putting in place will be in full swing. But for now, you gotta keep Romeo in place. Make your bank, son.
Stop calling me son.
Guess it doesn't warm his heart.
I'm tired of being crushed under the weight of greedy men who believe in nothing. I have to change that.
How? Please tell me, what's your plan to deal with the CIA?
I'm gonna need a little bit more time.
How much more? I don't know.
Couple of weeks?
Give me another day.
All right, let me know.
I will.
I'm sure they lied.
You couldn't do it. Make the call.
There you go.
Okay.
It was just a friendly kiss. A goodbye kiss. Nothing out of the ordinary. Don't even think about it.
what does your husband do? Small business owner. Automotive repairs. A few other ventures.
We do everything we could to help him get set up in Providence.
You don't want that. What the hell? He's not even an inmate.
This isn't about Rico. And I'm not a Fed. I'm just a citizen.
Nurse's brother?
These next few months will be the most excruciatingly painful time of your sick and miserable life.
Who are you? Still have no clue. Is he a season 6 antagonist? Oh, up in the vent. Red lights. Yes, that's what I was waiting for.
Mexican jump Jackson, Bobby. What? They got Jacks. Clubhouse now. Let's go.
Oh, I'll meet you there. I forgot to take my meds.
You prick. He'll go straight for that van. I think he knows.
Guns! Now!
That was the slowest reach for a gun I've ever seen.
Ain't nobody here, fool! Man, you been eating too much old white pussy.
You're dead. Don't try
I'm gonna
it.
shoot you in the head in 5 seconds. Let's see if that jogs my memory. 1, 2, 3.
Well, that's just unfair. You cheater. You didn't count to 5.
Orale. I'm back.
These guys thought they would have a nice day watching Jurassic Park.
Oh, I see the cartel thug in you wants to chop my head off. But the Fed side struggles with the felony whacking.
Actually, both sides are okay with whacking.
It's funny, actually, wasn't his head cut off in one show?
Getting the Mayans to take over the Coke Mule and Lynn to cover big guns.
This means we can walk away from drugs and the cartel.
The deal with Galindo was always a means to an end. We knew that.
This sounds too easy to be true. This would finish the entire CIA storyline. Just like that. That can't happen.
We hand off the drugs to the Mexicans and the guns to the Chinese. Yay.
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 Yeah.
I think Happy tries to make every line sound special. Whose shoes were that? Romeo? Oh no, that guy. What's he up to? Who is he?
I saw him saying goodbye to you today.
It was never anything real. Still isn't. And no more questions.
Once again, a very poor excuse. That kiss did not look like nothing.
I'm looking for Gemma. Yeah, she's changing. She had heard anything about Jax. He's fine. What? Yeah, it was a misunderstanding. It wasn't your crew. I think Bobby tried calling. Oh, no.
Just when he went extreme on those asses.
So what are you two, like, married again? Or what?
I can't explain all this. Not yet. Please don't go away. Please.
I'm pretty sure Clay can hear all that.
You left him alone when I didn't show.
Yeah. You enlisted him in your war on Clay. That's why you didn't want to bring the rat to the table. Look what you did for the club today. Don't let your hate kill that.
He tried to kill Tara. He's responsible for everything.
Good luck talking him out of it now. No more arguments, huh, Bobby?
You here to kill me, VP? No. I'm here to keep you alive. Sit down.
Why do you even give a shit? Why do you want to keep him alive? And what the fuck are you going to tell him? Will this backfire on Jax? If it does, you're done, boy.